don't care about others in this busy life. But in such a busy life, Kannan Nambalam is the one who can do the basic needs of the grassroots people as much as he can. He was born in Madurai district, Alanganallur town in a village Pondugampatti. In his childhood days, he was inspired by his teacher Kuppusamy from a government school in Palamedu, who encouraged him to take up community service. He is fond of planting trees. It continued during his NSS days in Tyagarajar College and Madras Christian College, as well as when he represented the president of Jhelum Hostel in JNU. He have pursued his doctorate from Jawaharlal University in New Delhi. He is an assistant professor in the Department of Public Administration and Development Management, Ulega University, Ethiopia. He draws the inspiration from British civil engineer John Pennywhick, who built the Mullai Periyar Dam in India. Now, he becomes the inspiration for several youngsters in Ethiopia as well as in India. He was among the several thousand civil service aspirants in the country. Despite being unsuccessful in all his 7 attempts to clear the civil services exams, this 44 years old native of Tamil Nadu is now an inspiration to youngsters and local communities in Ethiopia. Without the knowledge of construction and water-related issues, now the man behind the construction of 69 small bridges and 38 water springs in the African country. At that time, he got the optimized way of construction ideas from the internet to build bridges along with the help of his students and the local people who are living in the neighboring villages for a manpower. He mobilizes the materials for his constructions during his free time. It all started when he has seen elderly women attempting to cross a stream. He helped her cross it by laying 2 trees across the stream. It has been a long way since. Donkey is one of the biggest transport in Ethiopia, and donkeys were struggling to cross the bridge made by the trees. By hit and trial, he molded the bridge completely by cement. On hearing about his good work, neighboring villages invited him to construct small bridges in their areas too. He consults with the local communities to build bridges and water springs. many water springs around the Nekamti locality. complicated ideas to build bridges and water springs. He used simple technology only and its material cost also very low. But he wanted to show how people can come together and build a bridge for themselves, which can improve their lives and empowering the people to solve their own problems. His team also constructed a check dam to benefit farmers. He had failed in his civil service exams but not in people service. If he had become an IAS officer, he could have done more to the people. But he did not succeed and still wanted to help people. He isn't a professional engineer, but with these bridges, people's income has increased, dropout rate in school has come down, and access to healthcare has improved. He is abide by the thoughts of Mother Teresa. Give your hands to serve and your hearts to love.